Welcome to our channel. Today we're learning how to play Hive. Hive is an intense two-player abstract strategy game where players control an army of insect-themed pieces with unique movements. The goal is to totally surround the opponent's queen bee while stopping your opponent from doing the same to you. To set up, each player takes all 11 pieces of one color. And that's it. Let's learn how to play. Players take turns placing one of their pieces adjacent to the opponent's pieces. A new piece can be placed anytime as long as it connects to the player's own color, with the exception of the first pieces. Pieces cannot be moved until the queen bee is placed, which must be done by the fourth turn. Pieces also cannot be removed in such a way to dismantle the hive. Finally, pieces can only move in a sliding movement. If they are unable to slide in or out, it is not a valid move. If a player is unable to place or move their piece, their turn passes to the opponent, who will keep taking his turn until the stuck player has an opening to move again. Now let's learn how each piece moves. Every piece has a unique way of moving. The queen bee moves one space per turn. Beetles climb on top of other pieces, immobilizing them. When first placed, it must be placed just like all other pieces, not immediately directly on top of a piece. Grasshoppers jump over at least one piece in a straight line, but not over gaps. Spiders move exactly 3 spaces on a direct path, always maintaining contact with an adjacent piece. Ants move 1 space anywhere around the edge of the pieces. If you have the mosquito and ladybug expansion tiles, these are how they are used. The mosquito can copy the movement of any piece that it is adjacent to. For example, if it is next to a grasshopper, it can jump, or if it's next to a beetle, it can hop onto another tile. The ladybug moves 3 spaces, 2 on top of the hive, then 1 down. It must move exactly 2 on top of the hive and then move 1 down on its last move. To win, be the first player to completely surround your opponent's queen bee. The pieces surrounding the queen can be a mix of your own and your opponent's. And that's it! Hive's brilliance lies in its elegant simplicity and strategic depth. The absence of a board fosters dynamic gameplay. We trust that this is a game you will love. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this tutorial, like, share, and subscribe for more game guides. Let us know in the comments which game you'd like to master next.